Here's how you can rotate a picture in Google Docs. But before you start, you have to make sure that you have applied a text wrapping setting for the image, because when you rotate a picture, usually the orientation will affect its dimension relative to the other text. In this example, I select the text wrapping to be this option, so I don't have to worry when I rotate this picture from vertical to horizontal. So with that being said, now you can click on the picture, and then you will notice there's this tiny blue dot on top of it. You can click on it to drag the picture to a different orientation right there, and now the picture has been rotated. But I highly recommend, when you're doing this, when you're dragging this point, you have to press and select the shift key on the keyboard. This will ensure that you will get a predetermined orientation for the image. It's going to be much more precise, and I think it will make sure that the image will be perfectly straight, or will achieve a certain degree that deemed to be much more appropriate. So I think this is the simplest way to rotate a picture in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you find this video helpful.